Let's take a look at a square root application problem. The example says the square root of an icon, a computer icon, contains the square actually of a computer icon contains 676 pixels. How many pixels tall is this icon? So here we are asked to write and solve an equation to find the length of the side. Okay, let's think about something. Area of a square. So we know if we're looking for the area of a square, our formula is area is equal to side square. Okay, that's our little equation right there. Now, here we can take this information that they've given us, 676, and input it. And it says it contains 676. So that's letting us know that the area is 676 pixels. Let's go ahead and just put pixel square. So pixel square is equal to s square. And what we are trying to do now is find the square root. So here we will put our radicand, and we're going to put in here 676 pixels. Okay, and that's going to equal to really the square root of side square. Now, where do we go from there? We'll take the square root of, let's be known that s times s, or any variable times a variable, will give you s1 plus 1. We're dealing only with the exponent, which will give you s squared. So the square root of s squared is simply s. And here, go and take a look at your oh, and by the way, we want the positive and negative square root here. So go and take a look at your perfect squares and see what can you find there, if the square root's there, if not, if it's what actually two integers is in between. But as we look at our perfect square chart, we see that we get 26 will be the integer when multiplied times itself will give us 626. And we're going to just take both positive and negative square root of that. So this will tell me that the actual the pixel is actually 26 pixels tall. Okay, now it's just that simple, just dealing with square root, doing the math, making sure you find both positive and negative, and you notice I did so with the plus minus symbol out in the front. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take a look at some operations, or maybe just simplifying expressions using square root. I will see you soon.